Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Openstack course summary. That's right, folks, we've made it. Mark Anderson once said, "Every kid coming out of Harvard, every kid coming out of school now thinks he can be the next Mark Zuckerberg, and with these new technologies like cloud computing, he actually has a shot." I agree wholeheartedly with what Mark is saying. While the adoption may not have been as rapid as some people have thought, OpenStack and other cloud platforms have changed the way that we consume and provision IT services, and we're going to see massive changes in the wider adoption of OpenStack across the world. Let's recap what we've learned throughout the course. First, OpenStack is a powerful and open platform. Open is in the methodology as well as the name. It's a community-developed cloud environment which is meant to meet numerous business and technical needs. It's important to see that it's both business and technical needs that are being met. While technology is really fun, it is only good if it's answering a business requirement, which will drive the actual consumption and adoption. OpenStack itself is often discounted as being too new and sometimes not widely accepted. While that may have been true in the past, it is definitely not true, or if it even is true, it's changing rapidly. We're seeing massive adoption happening around the world, and we're going to see it grow at a rapid pace. We saw some significant changes with the Havana and Icehouse release, and we're going to see more and more as we head into the Juno release and the K release. The general maturity of the system is increasing across all of the projects, as well as the amount of vendor support that's being put into specific projects, not only just for drivers, but code commits back to all of the projects in order to make the whole ecosystem better. It's supported by the OpenStack Foundation, which has been a very key process in governance and keeping things aligned. And we also fully embraced continuous integration, or CI. This has been very helpful to allow the continued use of rapid development. Let's quickly recap all of the projects that we looked at. Of course, we have our Keystone service, which is the identity service. Underneath that, we have our Glance environment, which is our image service, or sometimes referred to as the templates. Those are managed into our Nova environment, which is the compute platform. The advanced networking is called Neutron, formerly known as Quantum. Our block storage environment is Cinder. Our object storage environment, known as Swift, of course, as you saw, is one of the early projects that has been involved. And as you can see on the right-hand side, that little logo there is the OpenStack dashboard. That is the Horizon environment, which is how we do the self-service delivery. Ceilometer is the telemetry service, which was added recently in the Havana release. And the orchestration service, which has also come out in the Havana release, known as Heat. I want to thank you very much. It has been really fun here being together with you. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have, and there is going to be much more great OpenStack content coming to Pluralsight. So stay tuned and keep watching for more. Again, my name is Eric Wright, and I want to thank you for watching, and thank you for coming to Pluralsight.com.